Hello everyone, so today we have this little box from AliExpress. Well, I mean, I bought it on AliExpress. It's a Nano KVM, it's a RISC-V CPU, so it's basically what is coming up to the market these days against ARM CPU. Let me open the box quickly. I'm just going to show you the device today. I'm not going to through the install. So here we go. We have this tiny box here, and let me tell you, it's very tiny. As you can see, it's the size of my Apple Watch Ultra screen, and then you got some USB-A as a connective air for the jumper, so to turn on and off your computer or reset whatever. And then you have some Ethernet. Here you have two USB-C and one HDMI. And then you have some tiny button on the side. So this is very tiny. Um, Inside the box you have as well this USB-A. Let me put it here so you can see better. And you have the connective to your jumper, so again for your reset and your power buttons. And inside as well, you have all the jumpers there. If I get it, there we go. And you have as well two USB-A to USB-C cable. I'm not sure why two. I guess maybe keyboard and stuff, and then for power. And then you have a SIM tray opener, which is here. So I'm not sure. I guess it's for the reset button, obviously. Funny to see the exact one that Apple made. And that it was this video. So one thing to consider, this is from AliExpress, this is not open source. Would you trust it? I personally won't, so I would put that in Isolate network and with no internet access. It's up to you now, but take that in consideration. Something from AliExpress, which is not open source, I'm not sure about it, but that could be actually amazing. I bought that for like 80 euros. I can send you the link in the description, obviously, but this could be a very nice thing. I'm gonna do a new video when I set up this thing, and see you next time.